Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sienna maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure the odometer reading is visible on your display screen. If it's not, simply press the ODO/trip button until the odometer appears. This sets you up for the next crucial step in the reset process. Next, turn the ignition completely off. Now, press and hold the ODO/trip button firmly. While still holding that button down, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not release the ODO/trip button yet. You're almost there, and this specific sequence is key to entering the maintenance reset mode successfully. Keep holding the ODO/trip button for several more seconds. You will notice the maintenance light on your dashboard begin to flash. Continue holding until the light disappears completely from the display. Once it's gone, you can release the ODO/trip button. This indicates the reset is complete and your vehicle's system is updated. Finally, start your engine to confirm that the maintenance light remains off. If for any reason the light reappears, simply repeat these steps from the beginning. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to fully register. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.